of reports, right?
Yeah.
So one is basically
Standard.
a standard report, and another one is basically a custom report.
Okay.
Okay, standard report and custom report.
Okay.
Okay, so what is nothing but a standard report? So standard reports are nothing but like reports which are provided by Salesforce. Okay, standard reports are, it's a standard report which is provided by a Salesforce. Okay, that is one thing. And second thing is nothing but basically we couldn't able to delete and edit those report.
Oh, standard
It means
reports.
that so we can't delete that standard report, and also basically we can't edit or we can't override those reports. Okay,
So
we can't
no editing allowed, no deleting.
yeah, so no deleting allowed. Editing means basically we can't edit and make some changes, and we can't save those reports.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yeah. So only edit will allow, no deleting or.
Edit will allow, but
Okay.
I will show you how edit will. But we can't replace the existing report with the
Okay,
edited
yeah.
report. Okay, I will show you what exactly it means. Okay.
Yeah. I got it.
Yeah, so what is happening is nothing but, so these are nothing but a report folders. Okay, folders are nothing but the reports which you are stored in particular area. Okay, so we will take one of the opportunity reports. If you click on this particular folder, you can able to see the opportunity reports.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are nothing but opportunity reports, like you see closed report, contact role report, opportunity by type report, opportunity history report. Okay, opportunity by play. These are nothing but standard reports. Okay, so let's just click on closed opportunities. Okay, so just click on close opportunity. What this report will say is, so this report will says all the closed opportunity. Okay, all the opportunities which is closed. Okay, is that clear?
I didn't get it. Okay, why didn't get it? What
So
will I do it?
there will be
Yeah.
something called, if
Standard
you go to,
report, okay.
if you go to any opportunity,
Yeah.
okay, there is something called stage will be there, right?
Yeah. Stage.
So
Okay.
stage, there is something called closed is there, closed one or closed
Oh,
one.
close. Okay. I got it.
Okay, what
Okay.
that report will say is like nothing but, so it will show all the closed opportunity. If you run this one, okay, so closed date.
Okay. I got it now. Okay. Depends on the. It was closed.
Yeah, so
It will just show the. Okay.
okay, so closed all opportunity should be closed one. Okay, so I don't know why this is okay, so this opportunity is closed actually. So this is closed word. Closed date is 8/31, right? So we'll make it as today's date.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll make it as today's date. So now what will happen? So that opportunity should come in this report. See here.
Yeah.
Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so something same like that. So there is a, this is basically a stage. We will call it as a stage. Okay, these are nothing but opportunity stage. If we say, if I make it today date, these opportunities are closed. Closed means deal is done. They are closing the opportunity. Okay, at the month end or year end, they want to check all the opportunity who was closed.
Okay.
Okay, so by running this report, this is standard report. By running this report, so basically he can able to collect those data.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yeah. Clear.
Okay,
Got
so
it.
these things are nothing but a these things are nothing but a standard settings, standard filter. Okay, if you want to filter anything, if you want to search for all opportunity or only your opportunity,
Okay.
your opportunity is nothing but opportunity which is closed by you, opportunity which is created by you. You got it right? My opportunity.
Yeah, I got it. Only our opportunity.
Whose owner is you.
Yeah.
Okay, that one. So these are basically filters. Okay, so these two are basically filter. Okay,
Yeah.
this one and this one basically filter. Okay, this is nothing but a run report.
So we have to go particularly back. Yeah, 1 minute. Like that. Okay, I will go and click on the reports. Then go to some opportunity or anything.
Okay, so clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, So now what it will happen, so assume now there is only these many columns are there, opportunity owner, account owner, these things, correct? So if I want to add two more columns, or if you want to remove the columns, how to do that actually, correct? I want to add two more fields here, correct? How to do that? For doing that, basically click on customize. Okay, click on customize.
Okay, click on customize.
Okay, so now this is basically a report edit page. Okay, so this is basically a report edit page.
Report edit page.
Okay, clear?
Customize. Okay. Report edit page. Okay.
Okay, so this is basically a report edit page. Okay, here you can able to add the columns. If you want to add the columns, okay, so see here, so this is opportunity report, right?
Yeah.
So this is showing all the information regarding opportunity and their child. Opportunity owner information, account information, account address.
Okay.
All the parent
All the
information
child.
also it is going to
Parent
show.
child. Okay.
All child. Okay. Now assume if you want to add some information about lead source or something, okay, just drag and drop here.
Oh, okay.
Just like this. Drag it from this particular panel and put it here.
Okay.
Okay, clear? If you don't want this one, let's say if you don't want lead source, same, drag from this particular thing and drop it here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, fiscal year or amount, so on.
Okay. Drag and drop. Or
So drag and drop, whatever it may be. Let's say if you want any address information, billing state, just drag to this particular area. Okay, so drag to this area. If you say contact address details, so drag to this something like this.
okay. So one question, like anyway, we have to click on the setup, and we can just drop it to the left side.
Yeah, customize. Click on customize.
Click on customize.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
In that case, these are nothing but a fields
So,
which are available. Okay, this is nothing but basically we will call it a field panel.
Oh, field panel. Okay.
Just drag the field panel to this particular area.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Now I have added additional columns, right? These columns are nothing but additional columns. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, these columns are additional columns. Click on run. Okay, so in this report, so it is added the additional value. Okay, why we have to click on run is nothing but to populate this data, correct?
Yeah, okay, whatever you type. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, so these are nothing but a inbuilt reports. Okay, so if you click on this particular printable view, so basically you can able to see the printable view of the report.
Okay.
So it is opening in the Excel file, so you can able to see it in the printable view.
Okay. So one other question, even once anyway, if that Excel file, we cannot edit or anything.
I will show you. I will show you what exactly it means. Okay. So if you say export details, then basically it is exported to some Excel file, and you can use those things. Okay, export. Okay, what I mean is now if you see this one, now I have added 2, 3, 4 columns. Right? Just check here. I have added this column: billing street, SL, billing city. Okay. There is no button called save here, but save as is there.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can save as opti. Save as is different, save as different, right?
Yeah.
If you say save, then basically it has to
Just save
with the existing report.
existing
Right?
report.
But it is asking save as.
Yeah.
Okay, what it will happen, so now I am not doing anything. If I going back and if I am again opening that particular opportunity closure report, the newly added columns are not present.
Oh, okay. Custom things, custom on.
Yeah, that's what it means. So we couldn't able to edit the existing report. Edit means we couldn't able to edit and save the existing report, but we can able to save it as save as.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, so this is basically a use of report. Okay, so there will be many reports, a lead report, or campaign report. These are nothing but a standard report. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, like campaign, all
So
campaigns,
okay.
campaign member analysis. These are the existing report.
So one question is, even save means okay. Anyway, it is it will allow whatever we added the custom things in the save mode, or just on save as it won't show whatever the custom things we added to that.
No, no, no. There is no option called save. Okay.
Oh
If you
yeah.
want to make it, you can make it as a save as, and you can store it in a separate report.
Okay.
You got it?
Okay. So it is not giving option of save export
Okay, so if
details.
you say here, I will copy and put some two more, column. Okay.
Yeah.
So but I can make it as save. Save means it will go as a save as this one. Okay.
Again, it will go into save as.
The active one where I can show, where I can put. I can't put it in opportunity report. I can
Yeah.
put it in some other folder.
Yeah.
Okay, I can put it in some other folder. Okay, I will say unified public folder. Okay, now if I go back, and if you see that particular report, so it will be present in other report.
Yeah. Unified public report. And then we saved on that one. Okay.
Okay, see here, it is
Yeah.
present here. But if you go to opportunity, that report is still exist here only. It is not overridden, correct? It is not
Yeah.
overridden. So we have created a new one. This is basically, we will call it as save as. So this is basically, we couldn't able to override the standard report.
Okay.
Okay, we
Okay.
couldn't override the standard report. Is that clear?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
Okay. So clear, right?
Yeah.
So this is nothing but for the, if you want to create new folder, basically we can create it here. Okay, see here something
Yeah.
called folder,
Oh,
new
okay.
report folder, or a dashboard folder. Okay, so if you want to put report new folder, something like this, so that we can save it in this particular folder,
Okay.
this particular folder. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
these folders are standard folders. This is nothing
So-
but our report folder.
So one thing I make sure. So say even standard whatever those reports like opportunity, even if you add some custom field, it will not override when you save as. But if you go and save it on some other new folder, it will
Correct.
it will
It will present.
present on that.
Yeah, so basically in that report, so we can't override the existing report.
Okay, yeah,
We can
override
add
access
some,
to
we can add some columns and
and save it in some other new folder or personal folder, not on any of these.
correct, exactly.
Got it.
Exactly.
But they will ask some question, I know. That's why I'm clear making it. Okay, I'm okay.
Okay. So now basically we'll deal with the out. So these are nothing but standard things, right?
Standard, okay, yeah.
Okay. So these are nothing but a standard reports, correct? So
Yeah.
what in the case of custom reports actually? So if you want to create some custom reports, so how to do that? Correct?
Okay.
So if you want to create some custom report, how to do that? For there's a custom report, so basically, so we have to create something called report type.
Okay.
Okay, so now before creating that, so we are creating a report for these three custom object. Okay, department, employee, and salary.
And salary. Okay.
Okay, so we'll see how these things are related.
Okay.
Okay, so department, correct?
Yeah.
So department is a object. Department is a parent object.
Yeah.
Okay, so department is a parent object. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, if you go to employee, which refers some department. Correct?
Yes.
You
Yeah.
say here lookup, so it is referring to a department.
Yeah.
Okay, since employee is a child, department is a parent.
Parent, yes.
And
Okay, I got
also,
it.
yeah, employee is referring child salary also. Okay, so this is nothing but a data model. Okay, so this is nothing but a data model.
Okay.
Okay, clear. So now we will create a we will create report for department object.
Okay.
Okay, so we will create report for a department object.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, clear?
Okay, yeah, what? I'm getting it. Yeah.
So for creating, before creating report, so there will be something called report type.
Okay.
So there is something called report type.
Okay.
Okay, there is something called report type. What is nothing but a report type actually? So report type is basically a template.
Okay.
Okay, so report type is nothing but basically a template. What it will say? It will say for which object. Okay, for which object. Okay, what and all fields are involved. Okay, fields are involved.
Yeah.
So those things we are describing in this particular report type.
Yeah.
Okay, those things which are described in this particular report type. Okay, so how to create that report type? Go to setup.
Okay.
Okay, so search on report type, create, navigate to create.
Okay.
Okay, navigate to create,
Then under report types.
click on report types.
Okay.
Okay, so click on continue. Okay,
Okay.
here we have to create a report type.
Oh, custom
Okay,
report.
so what I will do, so I will create a new report type for which object. So it is asking for an object.
Okay.
Okay, it is asking for an object. So which object? Okay, I will select
Department.
department.
Okay.
Okay, so you can say this one, label name for the custom report type for department. Okay, custom report type for department. Store in a category. So which places you want to store? Store in a category. Which category you want to store?
Okay.
Okay. So we can say some other reports. Okay. We can say some other report. Okay. So deployed. Clear, right?
We have to click deployed, then only it will show when you run, otherwise.
Yeah, so otherwise it won't show for others.
Okay.
So now department object is added here. See this diagram flowchart. Department object is added here. Any related child or any parent, basically we can add it here.
Okay.
So click on here so that it will give a drop down. So now employees are there.
Yeah.
Okay, so if there is employees related to something, okay, then basically we can select something like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So for time being, we will select only two things:
Okay.
department and employee. Click on save. Okay. Click on save. Till that it is clear, right?
Yeah, so it is once the main department object, any child coming under those objects can link it.
Yes,
as a,
can be
yeah,
linked. Yes, can be linked.
okay.
Okay, so
Good.
once that is done, click on save. So it is opening this particular report type home page. Okay, it is opening this particular report type home page. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so now what we can do, so here something called fields available for reporters.
Okay.
Okay, what and all fields it is coming in the field panel, right? So we are discussing field panel, correct?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that is basically we can configure here. Field is available for report. So click on edit. Okay, see here these are the reports. These are the fields which are available for department report. Okay, so these are the fields which are available in the employee report. This is also very important. Okay, so if you see here department, we are having only these many data. So if you don't want this one, just drag it here.
Okay.
So that these fields will not come in the
Come in the main report. Okay.
main report. Like field panel, there is an option, right, for showing that option. Basically it won't come.
So it every time this right side field will be once we come to field layout properties, this will be here. So we can just drag it. Okay.
Yeah, correct. So this will be available in the our left side of field panel, correct?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
So
left side. Okay.
in the report, this is the report type, right? In
Yeah,
the report,
yeah.
I am saying. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So what it will happen? So sometimes we need to change the label. Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes we need to change the label. These are the label of the object, right?
Yeah.
These are the label of the field. Okay. In
Yeah.
report, so we want something specific label other than
Yeah.
emp level. So you want employee level. How to do that? So just double click on that. Okay.
Okay.
Here basically we can change the label.
Okay.
Employee level, something like this.
Okay.
Okay. Clear? Employee level.
Any label.
Okay.
Okay.
Label.
To edit.
So click on save. That's it. Okay, now we have created a report type.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have to create a report, right? Now we have to create a report, correct?
Okay. So we just created the report type now. Okay.
Okay, now how to create a report, correct?
Okay.
So
Okay.
go to report, click on report. Okay,
Mhm.
click on new report.
Mhm.
Click on new report. Okay. Click
Yeah.
on new report. So where we have stored the report type, so we have stored the report type in other reports, right?
Yeah.
Click on other report. So which is our object. So this is our report type, correct? Custom report type for Apache, correct?
Okay. Okay.
Click on create.
Click on create. Select. Okay.
Select those particular
For folder. Okay. Yeah.
report type. Go
Report
to
type.
that particular folder, other report. Go to that particular report type. Click on create.
Click on create.
Okay. See what and all fields we have added in that particular layout.
Okay.
So if you see that in the report type there is something we added called layout, right?
Yeah.
Only those things which will be available here, correct?
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yeah. Okay. So
I
yeah.
have
Okay.
removed-
So
I have
once I
last
removed some
modified-
fields.
last modified date and last modified user I have removed.
Yeah. Those won't come. Okay.
That is not there because of that setting. Okay. Clear? If some fields are not coming here means make sure you go there and you just check the report type and make it.
Okay.
Okay. Clear?
Yeah. Got it. I got it.
Okay. Now there is nothing. Just drag and drop the columns, what and all things you want for your report.
Okay.
Okay.
So main thing is every time go and custom things. First make that report type. Then come to create and save it. Then create. Come to report and just. I'm getting it.
Okay.
So is there any limit to the pages? Only on the printable side it is going to cut.
No, I think so. There is, hold on. I forgot the exact number.
Yeah, okay.
How many
Columns.
yeah, I think some limit is there. I think 100 or some. Limits
Okay.
on report types. Yeah, I'll tell you maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. So there
I
will be
think
some
I think it is somewhere it is at a limit of 60. I think.
60.
Yeah. Just now, what do you see? I saw some field. It is written in the text.
That is
Oh,
something field filter. That is something else. Field filter.
okay.
Too many filter. There's something we will see that one. How many?
Oh yeah. The reason why I asked is when we come to a print or something, it will still limit to, or it will go to the other mode, no? Like.
No, there is a scroll will come. Once you added here, right? There is some downside, some scroll will come.
Oh, okay.
Scroll bar it will come. So but still there is a limit is there. See here, the scroll has come, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. I'll tell you. I'll
Yeah.
exactly. Okay. So once that is done, just click on run report.
Mhm.
So there is no record, I guess. No. So
Yeah.
what it is happening? Show all departments. Okay. Let's say run report. I think there is something with the data. Okay. Summarize information all department. Why there is no department in our system?
Is there?
So there is a department, right? So these are
Yeah,
the
complete.
departments.
But may not be any.
When it is created, so it is created by 5915, right? So 5915.
Okay. Change that date from 1/1. Change it instead of 12.
There is a 15 I put.
Yeah.
Okay, see here. This is a
Okay.
filter, right? So these are nothing but a
Okay.
report. Okay,
Yeah.
you got it, right?
Yeah, I'm getting it. Got it.
Okay. Right now we just created a report, but we haven't saved it. Okay, so click on save as to save our report.
Oh,
There is a department report.
okay.
Okay, where we can save those report. So basically we can save it in our custom report folder or report new folder or wherever it may be. Okay,
Okay.
just save and return to report. So this report is saved in particular that
Custom
area.
particular area.
Go to our new report folder. Where is that? Here. See,
Okay.
our report is available here. If you click on this and you can run those report.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
now what is the thing is nothing but there is a 4 type of report is there. Okay.
Okay.
There is a 4. One is nothing but tabular report. Tabular report. Second thing is nothing but a matrix report. Okay. Okay. So third thing is nothing but summary report. Sorry. Second should be summary report.
Okay.
Okay. Third thing is nothing but a joint report. Okay. Tabular report is nothing but it is just a simple report. It is a simple report like Excel.
Tabular, summary, matrix, and what is the fourth type?
Joint report.
Oh, joint report. Okay.
Okay. Tabular report is nothing but it is a simple report. It looks like some kind of Excel. Okay.
Okay.
Setup columns will be there. Okay. What about summary reports? Summary reports are grouped by
Okay.
row wise. Okay. Summary reports are grouped by row wise.
Okay.
Okay. Summary reports are grouped by row wise. Okay. Matrix reports are grouped by row and column wise.
Row and both column. Okay.
Column wise. Okay. Joint reports are nothing but 2 reports joined each other.
Okay.
2 reports joined. These are 4 reports. Okay.
Yeah.
These are 4 important reports. Okay. So now what we are seeing, this is nothing but a which report? It is nothing but a tabular report.
Tabular report. Okay.
Okay, how we will come to know that whether it's a tabular report or not? So because it is not grouped by anything, right? It is not grouped by either row or column wise, correct?
Yeah.
So how to do that? So go to click on customize. See, if you see this one, you can able to see the delete button for this report, right?
Yeah.
This is a custom report.
Oh, because of that. Okay. We created. Okay.
Click on customize. Okay, see here.
Tabular format. Okay.
Okay, something called tabular.
So each type, if you go and preview like this, it will tell tabular or some summarize or matrix type.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, so now what we can do is, okay, so now our thing is nothing but This is clear, right? Tabular report.
Yeah.
Okay. So if there is a okay, if there is any integer kind of field, then basically we can able to summarize this field.
Okay.
If any column is a kind of integer kind of column, basically it's a number column.
Yeah.
So in that case, if you click on those particular column, there is a something called summarize this field.
Okay. Summarize this field.
Summarize is it's like a roll up.
Roll up. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. In the same Excel we do
Yeah.
add or some of these.
It is
Yeah.
showing a max.
Yeah.
Okay. You clear, right? This one.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, I will remove that one.
Remove. Okay.
Okay. So now it is a tabular report. Tabular report, you got it, right? It is a simple report.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How to make this as a summary report? Summary report means just click on down and click on summary. See here it is highlighted by row. Okay.
Yeah.
It is grouped by row wise. Okay. It
Row.
is grouped by row wise. Okay. What it means actually? So grouped by row wise means how we can group this one. So we can group this one by using like what you called department name.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we can group it by using department name. Okay. Please take this department name. Okay. Take this department name. Put it here. Something called drop a field here to create a grouping, right? Here.
Yeah. Okay.
Put it there. See here.
Computer. Okay.
There is a many computer things are there, so there is only one thing is there, right? So I
Yeah.
will populate some data. Let's say what is that employee, right?
At least two are there. No? John. Yes.
Test department name. What is
Computer.
that? One more thing. Department is Q3 update.
Q3. Okay.
So I will make this is as testing.
Okay.
Okay, so I have created one more thing called test2. Okay, if I rerun this particular report, so there's one more things are added here.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. That's one. Okay. But I'm saying it. So it by row wise, grouping by row wise.
Row wise, correct. So go back to go back to customize. Okay, go back to customize. Okay, if you see here, something added is a add chart.
Okay.
Okay, something added as a add chart. What is nothing but a add chart? So we can able to add a chart for this particular report. We can add chart only for the summary report and matrix report, not for the tabular report. If you are creating tabular report, basically we can't add a chart. Chart is nothing but a diagrammatic representation. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Click on chart, so we can able to see able to add any kind of chart here. Just double click on that.
Okay.
See,
So it's not applicable for joint, only summary and metrics.
not applicable for tabular.
Oh, tabular. Okay.
Okay, here you select the field what do you want to put a report. Click on OK, so that this kind of chart is added to this particular report.
Yeah. Okay. Add chart. Okay, I got it.
Okay, so save as let's say department summary report. Okay, clear? So store it in report new folder. Okay, save. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is basically what? So this is basically a summary report, correct?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
what is nothing but a matrix? I will remove this chart. Okay,
Yeah.
delete the chart. Okay, what is nothing but a matrix report? Now we will select it as a matrix report. So matrix reports are basically a
Both column
so
and
there is something okay, hold on, before going to matrix report there is something called something called bucketing is there. Okay, so what is something called bucketing? Bucket this field. Okay, or else, okay, or else if you come to this one. Okay, so employee. Okay, if you go to employee name, there is something called bucket this field is there. Okay, what is nothing but a bucket this field?
Okay.
Okay, so bucketing is basically based on the employee name. Bucket is nothing but another type of grouping. Okay, another type of grouping. So okay, let's say this.
Okay.
So search the values here. Okay, whenever we found a Suri, okay, then map it into this bucket. Okay, whenever you found this guy, map it into a Suri. Whenever found this one, map it as a Du. Whenever found this value, map it as a Hitesh. Hitesh. Okay, okay, and click on OK. What it will happen? So it will show that particular value here. Where is that?
It's on the line.
Here emp name, right?
Yeah.
Correct. This is nothing but a bucket. Bucket is nothing but it is a kind of alias. Instead of showing this name, okay, instead of showing this name, I am showing it as Suri.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Clear.
So yeah, got it. I got it. Yeah. Suppose if it is same name comes with the 2 times.
It is nothing but a kind of grouping.
Oh, okay.
Bucketing is not a grouping inside the grouping.
Okay, grouping
Right.
inside
It
the
is grouped with the department, right? So now we want to distinguish between the records. Like I want to make all these 3 as a one type. So in that case, basically we can go for a bucketing.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Third type of report is nothing but a matrix report. So there is no difference. Matrix reports are grouped by row and column wise. Okay, now it is a grouped by row wise, right? Department name, and just column wise also it is grouped.
Okay.
Okay, column wise means let's say we will put it as a record type. Okay, put it record type, employee record type. Okay. Okay, so based on 2 things it is grouping. One is nothing but a record type and another one is grouping. Is that clear?
Yeah. So, okay. Both. Record type and
See, these are nothing but a record type.
yeah.
Okay, this belongs to here there's a 5 records, right? This belongs to one record type, this belongs to another record type, and this belongs to another record type.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah, I'm getting yeah.
Okay, so this is nothing but a grouping from the row. See here, employee record type and manager record type.
Manager record type. Okay.
Okay, so now this is belongs to what? So manager record type. Okay, these all belongs to employee record type. Okay, so this is basically a matrix format. Okay, so this is basically we will call it as a matrix report. Okay, matrix. Okay, so save it in new report. You got it right? Saving.
Yeah. Saving. Okay.
Okay. Now last thing is nothing but a joint report.
Okay.
Okay. So what is nothing but a joint report? For joint report, I will remove these grouping things. Okay, I will remove these grouping things. Okay. So this is nothing but a department, right? I will make the report 2 types, an employee separately and department details separately.
Okay.
Now this is a employee department ID, right? Okay, so I will put department name here. Okay, what I will do, so this is joint report. Okay, I will drag the employee ID here.
So, okay.
Okay. It's just a block actually.
Yeah, I got it. Two at a time we are grouping.
Yes, correct.
Um,
Okay, so now what do you call run the report? Okay, so all the employee records should come here. Why it is not coming? Computer update testing. Okay, so here is a filter issue.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, it should come here also. Okay, so it should
Yeah.
come here also.
Uh,
Okay, employee rating, employee ID, and employee name. I'm not sure why it is not coming. Hold on, let me check. So if we go to employee record,
there's no writing out.
there is there. If you take computer updated department, there's a many employee records are there. Okay. Oh, maybe I think it depends on this one.
I think if you go to one some of the employee, there is no employee rating. It's a blank that field.
Sorry.
So if you go to back to that employee on the employees thing, it is ID and all out blank. It is there is no ID and we create. Okay, there is see employee rating is 1 now. Okay, ID is
Why it is not happening?
at least employee name must come.
Yeah. No, employee ID is nothing but it is a like Salesforce generates the ID, right? That is the word.
Yeah.
But I think something we should. Okay, I got it. See here, there's a two places is there. My department. Okay, so there is a two places. There is a these things are there. See here, all
Yeah.
departments created date and all my departments.
Okay.
So here all department is there. Here my department is there. That's why it is not coming like this.
Okay. Now then, update. Change it to all department and Yeah.
Because of filter.
okay.
Okay, because of the filter. My departments or let's say all departments.
Yeah.
We say all departments. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so it
So
has
they-
come here. Okay, so now what we can do, this is clear, right?
Yeah, I got
So
it.
this
I
is
got it.
this one. So now we will group it up. Group by department name. See here. For this department, these are the employees. For this department, this is the employee. For this department, this is the employee. So on, so on.
Okay.
Okay. This is nothing but a matrix. Matrix is nothing but it is a combination of two. One report cross another report.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
For this also basically we can able to add a we have saved already this report.
No, I don't think. Actually, this is joined, no? Not the matrix.
Oh, sorry, joint, right?
Yeah.
Joint. Okay, so
Because we are grouping two each.
okay, so report. Save. This clear, right? Any
Yeah.
question? Any question?
Not now.
Okay.
Let I try it. I'll at some
So
point.
this is nothing but a reports. Okay, so once you go back to those things, and if you go to report, all our reports will be saved in that particular folder. Which is that folder? Report new folder.
Report new
Say
folder.
department, summary report, matrix report, and joint report.
Yeah, okay.
This is about the report. Okay, if you open any one of the report, let's say this is a tabular report, right? So there is some option called run a report now. Now we can run a report, or there is something called schedule for a future.
Future. Okay.
Okay, we can schedule this one and we can send a email things.
Okay.
Okay, so we can schedule a email report to me is there, or we can say email report to some other person also.
Okay.
It will run at a specified time and specified day, and it will send an email.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So
Got it.
report schedule. Okay, this clear, right? Report concept is clear, right?
yeah,
So now another thing is nothing but a dashboard. What is nothing but a dashboard?
Okay.
So dashboard is basically it is a collection of reports.
Okay.
Okay, basically it is a collection of reports. Okay, so now go to same thing, click on report. There is something called new dashboard.
Okay.
Correct? There is something called new dashboard. Okay, so here you can able to see there is a two things. One is called components and another one is called data source. Component is basically a chart. Okay, and data sources are basically nothing but report. Our report is stored here, right?
Yeah.
Drag those report here.
Okay.
Okay, for if it is for tabular report, basically we can't add a chart, right? So it is giving error. Okay, click on summary report. Okay, click on matrix report.
So other than one question, other than tabular, all the other three we can add a chart.
Correct, exactly.
Okay.
Okay, see here this chart has been generated.
Okay.
Okay, so for same report we can add a multiple chart.
Okay.
Same report we can add a multiple chart. Okay, if you assume this is a second report, summary report, I added this chart, I can add this chart also, or else I can add this chart also. Okay, if you go to component, this is a what horizontal bar chart, it's a vertical bar chart, line chart, it's a pie chart. Okay, this is a donut chart, this is a funnel chart, this is a line scattered chart, this is a gauge, this is a matrix. Okay, this is a table, this is a VF page. Even though we can create a VF page report also, we can add a dashboard also. Okay, we can save a dashboard. Okay, report dashboard.
Okay.
We can save it in same thing, new dashboard folder or somewhere. Save it. Okay, so one time all the data is available in one shot. See here, one shot we can able to see, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we can see the progress, like how many department is there. Okay, or how many sale has been done. That kind of things basically we can see it here.
Okay.
There is something called if you click on edit, so there is something called view dashboard as is there. Okay, view dashboard as. So this is nothing. View dashboard is nothing but so view dashboard is nothing but logged in user. Currently it's a logged in user, right? So currently it is a logged in user. Okay, so based on the logged in user, so we are running the report. Okay, so run as a logged in user means what it will happen is nothing but, let's say one guy doesn't have the permission for see the department object, means for that guy that dashboard things it won't available. Okay, that means run as logged in user. Let's say you are running with the your credential and you are seeing this particular dashboard, means if you don't have a permission for the department object, basically those dashboard components it won't possible to see.
Okay.
You got it?
Run as logged in user. Okay.
Yeah, that whenever you select the run as logged in user, okay. If you say
Always.
run as a specified user, in that case what it will happen is nothing but, okay. So in that case, so what it will happen is nothing but the permission which is related to this particular user, okay. Permission which is related to this particular user, it will be applied.
Apply. Okay.
Okay, so what and all
Okay.
objects you can able to see those things, it will be available for everyone. Basically, it will be everyone.
Okay. Yeah. Got
Okay, that's the
it.
main difference. This is also one of the certification question. What is the difference between run as a dashboard user and run as a
Logged in user. Okay.
okay, clear?
Yeah.
Any
I'm
question?
getting it. No. I'm getting. I'm writing also.
Okay, clear?
So yeah. Okay. Specified. So always better. Always